So this is a greenhouse that's attached to the back of my classroom, and it got started because it was empty and I wanted the students to have a space where they could grow new things and experience different things outside of our normal classroom curriculum.
Well, I was one of the first ones to ask Miss Chamberlain to see if we could use the greenhouse. She instantly said yes, because it was 2 weeks into school before we realized that, hey, we could use the greenhouse. She had a bin just full of seeds, and she also had another bin full of seeds just with little pods. Coolest thing that caught my eye was watermelon, cucumber, and all that, because that's all the main things that I saw in grocery stores and all that. I just wondered if I could grow that, and up here, especially how cold it is.
Honestly, I just like planting because it's really calming and relaxing, and you can make really good food, and honestly, it tastes really good.
The greenhouse is a nice place to if you're been having a hard day, just come by, plant something, and watch it grow over the months. Make school a little bit less hard.
I absolutely love seeing which students really grab hold to what's going on. It's usually students who just need something special, right? They need something to look forward to and to grab onto, and I love it when you've got students who are otherwise, disengaged or not looking forward to anything else in their day, and they come in and they're so excited and they're so passionate, and all of a sudden a cucumber will start flowering and they just cheer and get so excited, and they come to school early and they are begging to come in during lunch and their free periods to check on things. It's really fun to watch students really come out of their shell and make new friendships and connections, especially for those students who really haven't found their niche yet.
I think it's just a really fun project that we get to grow bonds with other people who enjoy gardening and grow bonds with plants. I think growing plants is a very special thing, especially learning and knowing how they adapt to different things. You really just get a sense of life and knowing how to take care of something, and it gives you a really big responsibility.
Actually, most of the students who grow stuff here end up starting their own projects at home. And so I've got a couple of students who they'll make dinner for their families, and they'll save seeds from whatever it is that they cooked, and they'll start growing them at home, or they'll ask to bring them in. So it definitely extends beyond the school and into their homes and their lives as well.
Go garden, guys. It's awesome.